The Visual Studio IDE is a creative launching pad that you can use to edit, debug, and build code, and then publish an app. Over and above the standard editor and debugger that most IDEs provide, Visual Studio includes compilers, code completion tools, graphical designers, and many more features to enhance the software development process. This is a full-fledged integrated development environment, IDE, primarily used for building Windows applications. It's a powerful tool that provides developers with everything they need to write, edit, debug, and test code, as well as manage projects and collaborate with others. Rich development ecosystem. Comprehensive support for various languages, C#, C++, F#, Python, JavaScript, and more, catering to diverse project needs. Integrated tools for the entire development cycle, code editor, debugger, compiler, designer tools, source control integration, and project management, all under one roof, streamlining workflow. Enhanced productivity and accuracy. IntelliSense autocompletion, code snippets, and context-aware suggestions for faster and more accurate coding. Error checking and code analysis. Real-time error detection and highlighting, static code analysis, and refactoring tools for cleaner and more robust code. Powerful debugging and testing capabilities. Unit testing and code coverage. Built-in tools and frameworks for writing and running unit tests, ensuring thorough code coverage and quality. Customization and extensibility. Personalized UI, customizable layout, themes, and keyboard shortcuts for a tailored development experience. Vast extension marketplace. Thousands of extensions to add functionalities like code linters, version control integrations, and language-specific features. Team collaboration and project management. Team Foundation Server, TFS, integration, version control, work item tracking, and collaborative development features for seamless teamwork. Live Share. Real-time collaborative coding sessions with teammates to work on code together, regardless of location. Microsoft Azure Cloud Integration simplifies deployment and scaling of your applications built with Visual Studio IDE. These are just some of the many advantages of Visual Studio IDE. With its feature-rich environment, enhanced development tools, and customization options, it empowers developers to build high-quality Windows applications efficiently and collaboratively. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.